Hi guys, welcome to Common Sense Outdoors. My granddaughter Chandra wants to show you her baby crawdad. So let's see that baby crawdad. Then we're going to let the baby crawdad go. It's a little tiny guy.
I don't want to let it go.
Did you catch that all by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well I'll tell you what. You can take him on the canoe ride with us. Then when we get back, you let him go so he can live. Deal?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And so it can have more crawdads.
Are we gonna go all the way to the other end of the pond and clean up somebody else's mess?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because people came in over the weekend and left a big mess down there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we don't like that. We gotta go clean it up.
And when we go down there with Coda to fish, she starts to chew on it.
She'll chew it all up, huh?
Mm-hmm.
She's a little chewy puppy.
And we don't even know if it's worth money yet.
I think I seen some of them were cans and bottles, so we might make a nickel or two off the deal too, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Plus we get to take a canoe ride.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it. Climb in there. We're going to be very careful, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're not going to tip us and spill Grandpa's camera in the pond. Oh, we're going to be going right into the sun. We better hug this bank over here and see if we can stay in the shade.
Earlier we were looking to see if there was a good spot to go on a canoe ride.
Think so?
Mm-hmm. When you put it up, it could splash the camera, Grandpa.
Well, that's why I swing it behind my head, and I'll just paddle from one side if I have to. Hey, we got out of the sun there for a second. But we can paddle faster if I paddle from two sides. So I can swing it behind me like that.
So when's Mom gonna be here?
Oh, pretty soon, probably.
Probably after like a couple minutes after the canoe ride?
I don't know. Now we're out of the sun. Beautiful over here. Except for the mess we're going to clean up.
Mm-hmm. But we like to fish over there, so...
That's a good fishing spot, huh?
Mm-hmm. That's where me and Tyler caught 5 fish.
Yeah, each.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why people gotta ruin a good spot by leaving their junk all over.
And then Coda chews it all up.
Oh, a fish just jumped up there. Came all the way out of the water.
And if Coda chews it all up, we'll never know if it's worth any money or not.
Look at that. I see a worm container floating in the water up here. When we get up here, I might have to have you get out. Run up there and pick up all the trash. Oh, I see something floating on the other side too. Jeez, people, you're ridiculous.
Don't you know that people like to fish here?
Shouldn't have to pick up after other people.
Well, teenagers also leave a bunch of their junk.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick up the worm.
Okay, when you reach down, reach careful. Don't lean into it. Don't tip us over. Oh, camera wanted to tip over.
I didn't tip that much.
No, I have my tripod sitting kind of not very safely.
This is close to our lunch spot that we had today.
Yeah, on the other. Oh, no, that was down further down the creek. We can go over here by the bridge and see where the creek starts. The outlet.
But it's kind of close to the spot.
Yeah, down that big hill and down that draw.
Then that's where we had for lunch.
Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At least 8 bottles and cans on the bank. Here's where the creek starts, underneath the bridge. Okay, hold still. Let's see what we got here. 1 bottle, 2 soda can.
Which
Beer.
Which is crunched all up. Is that beer bottle worth a nickel if it's crushed up?
Yeah, maybe. Water bottle. Three more cans and a Powerade.
Why do people have to crush it all up?
Okay, let go of the grass now. Let me swing it back around over here. Slide back in. Hold on, little camera. And I see a can floating on the other side.
I see a bunch of junk too. Not just the can.
Yeah, there's something on the bank too. Come on, people. You bring it in, you take it out.
Shady spot. Right here's a shady spot.
I'd like to have caught the people doing it in my neck of the woods, because we'd have had something to say to them. See a can on the bank behind you. We might be able to just swing up there and knock it down to us with the oar or the paddle.
See, there's a bunch of junk over there.
There's something floating back there in the corner. I don't know if we can get to that in the canoe. But we can swing over here.
I can jump out and get it.
Well, I don't know if that's a good idea.
Me jumping out?
Yeah. Knock it down to you. Oh, the camera fell over. Sorry, guys. Stay there, little camera. Thought about tying it to the canoe support, but I thought, well, if we did tip over, I wouldn't have any chance of saving the camera if it was tied to the canoe.
And it would be too late to get it because it would already... Right, Grandpa?
It'd already be upside down in the water, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, somebody lost a rooster tail right down there on that log. Might be able to reach down there and get that. Another can, another can. Thanks, people, for leaving our great outdoors a disaster area. How many do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 bottles and cans and a worm container. Just from the weekend. Because I already came around this pond and picked up trash a few days ago.
Last time we went fishing, probably. Or when you and Uncle Will went on the canoe ride. Right?
Could have been.
Because you and Uncle Will went everywhere. There's junk right there. There's junk back there.
Yep. That was a piece of something up there, huh? Next time we walk around, we'll pick that one up.
And the rest of the stuff. Right, Grandpa, on the other side?
Yeah, I don't know if we can get behind that brush in that back corner. Pick up the stuff back there or not.
There's a
But
bottle
we'll
right
do
there.
our best to keep it clean, won't we?
Mm-hmm. There's garbage right there. Hmm?
Oh, there's another worm container up there on the bank.
And a bottle.
Next time we walk around the backside, we'll pick those up. Get what we can with the canoe.
Earlier, I remember how I was saying when a baby crawdad pinches you, it only hurts for a little bit.
Think so?
Mm-hmm.
So when we let yours out of the bottle, we can let it pinch you and it'll only hurt a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Can we do that?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to let it pinch you?
Mm-hmm.
You're joking. You're not going to let it pinch you. I don't know if the camera will pick up our zip line or not. But in case it does and anybody can see that line stretched across the pond, that's our zip line. Looks great for the kids. Found out I'm a little too heavy for it. Huh.
For what?
The zip line. It only took me about 5 feet out before it dumped me in the water.
The only problem is I can't hold on that tight.
Yeah, you barely made it in the water that one time because you slipped off.
Mm-hmm.
Well, Cha-Cha-Poo, we've done our part to keep the pond clean. The outdoors picked up, even though there's other inconsiderate people in our neighborhood. But we've done our part, and we had a nice evening canoe ride out of the deal, right? We didn't tip over and get wet and ruin Grandpa's camera.
And we didn't. And it's good because because we weren't in the water clothes.
Yeah, I'm in pants and my boots, huh?
And I'm in my flip-flops that could float away. And shorts.
I guess we should sign off and thank the people for coming along with us on the canoe ride, huh?
Mhm.
Can you thank them for coming along with us? No? Can't say thanks for coming along with us in the canoe, people? Playing shy again? Alright, guys.
How did I go?
Yeah, we'll let him go when we get to the bank. Oh, you're gonna let him? No, don't let him go out here.
Why?
Because he doesn't like the deep water out here. He wants to be let go close to shore. Alright, guys, thanks for coming along with us on this canoe ride to pick up other people's inconsideracy. And as always, thank you for your views, your likes, your comments, your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Say bye, Chach.
Bye.